Hi, today for the Poco M5s, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to always on display and lock screen. So click to the always on display section here, and we can select our custom image, custom to create our custom theme. So here we should select the image. Unfortunately, I have no any photos here in my albums, so we can change here the text color, to change the clock position on the lock screen, and to use the battery status on notifications from different apps. So we can turn on or turn off them by click on the switchers. Also, we have here the default themes like the signature, the analog clocks, kaleidoscopes, digital clocks, and the themes with the backgrounds. So by the same way, we can change here the text colors, the battery and notification status. So let's just click here to apply. For example, this theme, we can see the message that this theme applied successfully. So now let's lock our device, and we can see that we just successfully changed always on display theme. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.